Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to CPS Virtual Learning class. This is your EVS subject, and we were doing chapter 6 Food and Nutrition. Yesterday, we started this chapter, reading of this chapter. So, I hope you understood the last class, yesterday's class, about the nutrients, various types of nutrients. So, what are nutrients? See, these are the kind of substances which our body needs to stay fit and healthy. Okay, कुछ ऐसी substances जो हमारी बॉडी को जिनकी जरूरत होती है हेल्दी रहने के लिए, फिट रहने के लिए. Okay, so today we will understand the various types of nutrients. These are the nutrients groups. The food we eat contain five main new types of nutrients. They are grouped as carbohydrates. First one is the carbohydrates. Let's start with this topic. Carbohydrates are the nutrients that give us energy to do work. Carbohydrates release energy quickly. It is the main source of energy for people who do a lot of physical work like farmers, sportsperson, and laborers. Most of the carbohydrates come from plant source. Rice, wheat, potatoes, and breads are the rich source of carbohydrates. Sugar and starch are two types of carbohydrates. Okay, so carbohydrates is a kind of nutrients जो हमें energy देता है, instant energy देता है. That you must have observed that when we are hungry and when we eat a chapati or a paratha, we get instant energy. We our craving stops, our hunger stops because it fills up our stomach and gives us energy along with it. Basically, carbohydrates is needed for those people who are doing lot of physical work. We are also having carbohydrates and it is also good for us, but उन लोगों को कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स ज्यादा लेना चाहिए जो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, like the farmers, the sports person, the laborers, or some athletes. So these person, as they are doing a lot of physical work, they need lot of carbohydrates. So they consume lot of carbohydrates. Which are the examples of food which contains carbohydrates? कौन कौन से foods में carbohydrates मिलता है? Rice, wheat, potato, bread, and various kinds of other grains. Sugar and starch are the two types of carbohydrates. Basically, carbohydrates के two types होते हैं. One is sugar and another one is starch. Okay, so you must have seen that when we are boiling the rice, we uh, get some kind of starchy water from the rice. That is the major amount of carbohydrates which we strain from the rice. Okay, and sugar, we have sugar in wheat also, and we also eat sugar in a as a part of our food, as a part of taste. But in potatoes also the sugar is there. In wheat also we can find the sugar naturally. Okay, so the next is the protein. Proteins are the nutrients that build our muscles and bones and help us to grow. Protein are not only needed for the growth of our body but also to repair the damaged areas. When we get hurt, growing children need to eat food rich in protein. Protein helps the body to make new cells and pulses. Peas, beans, fish, eggs, milk are the rich source of protein. So, what is the use of protein? What is the benefit of having protein in your diet? Protein helps you to build your muscles. आपकी muscles को improve करने में, build करने में help करता है. आपकी bones को अच्छा बनाता है, आपकी बोन्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग करता है। अलोंग विद दैट, जब कोई बच्चे के चोट लगती है या कोई बच्चा कमजोर होता है, तो जो डॉक्टर्स होते हैं, दे सजेस्ट टू गिव प्रोटीन टू दैट चाइल्ड, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स एंड प्रोटीन मोर, बिकॉज प्रोटीन से उस बच्चे को एनर्जी मिलती है, उसकी ग्रोथ में हेल्प होती है, उसकी बॉडी में न्यू सेल्स बनते हैं। सो in which food items we can get protein? How can we get protein in our daily diet? We should eat pulses, peas, various kinds of beans like rajma is there, chole is there. So there are the various kinds of grains and beans and pulses which have lot of protein in them. So we should eat good protein diet. Even in milk, eggs, fish and meat, we can find the protein. Okay, now see, those who are non-vegetarians, they have lots many source of protein. Like they can have eggs, they can have fish. They are the very good source of high protein. But in case of vegetarian, we have all these options. Milk is there and these options for the vegetarians. Now the next topic is fats. Fats are also energy giving food, but they do not release the energy immediately. Fat give more energy than carbohydrates. Fats are stored in the body to keep us warm. Cream, butter, nuts and oils are some of the sources. Okay, now fat. What is the benefit of having fat in our diet? See, natural fat which we get from natural food help us to keep warm. हमें अंदर से एक गर्मी देता है, एक warmth देता है. And what is their use? It also gives us energy more than carbohydrates. Carbohydrates से ज़्यादा energy हमें fat से मिलती है, but only in case of natural fat. जो fat हमें nature ने दिया, like the nuts are there, the oils are there. These are the examples of fat containing food, like cream, butter is there, nuts are there, oil is there, ghee is there. Okay, even milk also, the full cream milk also have fat in it. Now, do you all know that too much of fat can lead to diseases like blood pressure, heart problem and obesity? We should not eat too much of fat. हमें fat containing food ज़्यादा quantity में नहीं खाना चाहिए, because it is not good for our body. It can make us obese. It can cause any heart problem. Even it can increase the blood sugar level and blood pressure. Okay, so we should have fat in proper amount. Now next is vitamins. Vitamins are needed in small amount to keep our body healthy. To protect us from diseases, fruits and vegetables and milks are rich in vitamin A, B, C, D and K. Okay, these are the some important vitamins. So we get vitamins from various types of food and fruits and vegetables. Even we get vitamins from milk. So these are the various types of vitamins which we need to maintain our health. Vitamin A, B, C, D, K. Okay, so these are the some important vitamins. Each vitamin has one or more uses in the body. Vitamin A keeps the eyes and skin healthy. Vitamin A का क्या role है? It keeps the eyes and skin healthy. Vitamin B is good for muscles. Vitamin C makes the gums and heal our wound. Vitamin C is important. Sorry, it is important because it helps us in healing the wound. विटामिन सी में एंटीबायोटिक प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं, जिसकी वजह से हमें हमारी इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग होती है. सी, यू ऑल मस्ट बी नोइंग दैट we all are facing such a big problem, such a big pandemic we all are facing. So you should understand what kind of nutrients you should have in your diet to maintain your immunity, and vitamin C is very important for you. Okay, so these are the vitamins which have some one or more benefits for our body. Now, next, last type of nutrient, which is minerals. Minerals provide nutrients to our teeth, bones, and blood. Calcium and phosphorus are the minerals that keep our bone teeth strong. Iron helps to carry oxygen in the blood. Milk and green leafy vegetables are rich in minerals. Okay, so minerals क्या करता है? Minerals हमारे teeth को strong बनाता है, हमारी bones को strong बनाता है, हमारे blood circulation को अच्छा रखता है. So, which are the various types of minerals which we have in our diet? Calcium and phosphorus, जो कि हमें हमारी bones और teeth को strong रखता है. आयरन मिनरल जो होता है वो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर ब्लड सर्कुलेशन को अच्छा करता है, हमारी बॉडी के अंदर ऑक्सीजन को कैरी करने में हेल्प करता है. नाउ which are the rich source of minerals? These are the green leafy vegetables and milk. Okay, so we will also study about these topics in our next class. So that's all for today. Just read about them and try to find out more sources, more food items which have all these nutrients in them. Then only you will understand the topic more clearly. So bye bye, take care.